It's something years in the making.
A new pipe organ has been installed at the Cathedral of St. Joseph in Sioux Falls. In tonight's Eye on KELOLAND, Kelly Volk shows us the big instrument and what it means for the local landmark.
There's a new sound at the Cathedral of St. Joseph in Sioux Falls.
It sounds different than the organ that we had before.
It's the sound of a brand new pipe organ in the choir loft. The organ was built by Juge Sinclair Organ Builders in Montreal, Quebec. The instrument was made to fit different aspects of the cathedral.
It's 100% custom built. So that means the first thing is we take the dimensions of the loft and we take the existing dimensions and we really design architecturally and tonally an instrument that really fits completely to the architecture of the cathedral and also to the specific acoustics of the cathedral.
The organ has about 4,000 pipes.
Wooden, metal, lots of different shapes and sizes. You can really think of it like an orchestra of pipes, everything from the smallest to the largest, and the shape affects the sound a lot too.
Jared Osterman is the cathedral music director and plays the organ during Mass.
It can stand shoulder to shoulder with the finest instruments from anywhere in the world.
In addition to bringing a new sound to the cathedral, the look of the pipe organ is also different than the previous instrument. That one was dark brown. This one is an off-white, complementing the color and art in the cathedral.
The French believe that the organ is an extension of the church. It's not a piece of furniture. So the idea is if you look at French organs and German organs, and Dr. Osterman, our organist, did that, went to France, went to Germany. A lot of them are colored. They're not necessarily brown or stained brown.
The new organ is now being played during Mass. Getting to this point took years.
The process started in 2019. That was the signature of the contract. Then we were not able to start until 2 years ago. So we started 2023 to design and to build the instrument at the shop. And the whole process takes about 30 to 35,000 man-hours.
But before any of that, there was a lot of groundwork that had to be done. And now, years later, parishioners and visitors can enjoy the sound of the new pipe organ.
The combination of our cathedral and this instrument is unique to our region, and I just hope the Sioux Falls community will come out and hear it whenever they can.
But this certainly will enhance the liturgy and enhance the worship, and that's the whole idea. And not just for the cathedral parish or even the Catholic community of the diocese of Sioux Falls, but just for the people of the community who will come in and be able to hear it play.
With Eye on KELOLAND, I'm Kelly Volk.